I got some better video footage for you. I had someone running the camera, someone run the combine a little bit. Getting ready to quit for the night. I didn't get done. And before anybody says anything, the head kept slipping. The belt on the side of the feeder house, there's an eye bolt that's on a spring. And that's your adjustment. Well, it's Sunday, didn't have time to get the parts, nowhere to get the parts, so we just limped it along. Don't worry, I got a new eye bolt in my possession already. It's not going to be like that all year. But that's why the head was slipping. And then in one clip of the video, I don't know if you could catch it or not, one of my chains on my snapping rolls came off. Well, then when that happened, or my feeder chains down there, when that happened, it went down in a snapping roll, bent that chain, so I had to go down to my parts, find one of them. And then that end of the head, that one came off. So my chains on this 6-row are about worn out. I mean, they're stretched too far. But other than that, everything worked good. The corn's really dry. I mean, it hits when it pulls down through the stalk and hits the head, it's like a grenade goes off and corn goes everywhere. But we got to shell corn at work the rest of the week, so I don't know when I'm going to get back out here. I'd really like to get it done because it's plenty dry. But I don't know, hopefully this video is a little bit better. I don't know, we tried some different things in it, and I don't really know how long it's going to be right now. Just talking, I've only been talking for 1 minute and 40 seconds. But if you guys liked it, give me a like, give me a comment, and give me a follow, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.